how to fix Messenger messages. First thing, open the settings, go to apps, open the apps page, scroll until you find Messenger, click on it, and now what you want to do next is click on this force stop here, and after that all what you want to do is click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, go back again, click on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled, go back, click on data usage and disable the roaming data like this. After that all what you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.